Hey, it's Dom and welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, Thanksgiving pa rin. Nakauwi na kami from Ajax kanina. Ngayon, meron kaming dinner sa side ni Daddy Alvin. Gaganapin siya sa bahay nila Sis Hannah, Sis Monique, and Bayaw Aldron. But now, andito na kami sa Roselawn. Susunduin namin si Mama M. Hi guys, nandito na kami kila Tita Hannah, Sis Hannah. Say hi, Axel. Say hi, say happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Nahihiya. Say hi, Adelaide. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. Bagong gising. Say hi, Ate Angela.
Hi.
Hi, Axel.
Hi.
Say, how are you? Say, how are you guys? Say hi, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Hi, Adelaide. Hi, Bebe. Hi, Adelaide. You can do it, girl. Go to Dada.
Hello.
Grilling. Ang bango. Say hi, Dexter. Ito naman. Hi ka, ah. Say hi, Bebe. Hi, Mimi. Mimi! Hi!
Mukha naman ako harap dyan.
Hindi, girl. Sexy ka pa rin.
I'm tired of you,
You are so small.
Gusto niya yan, Mama. 1, 2, 3!
Adi! Buti hindi na inaalis yung tita.
Hi, guys. Thanksgiving dinner. Hi, Nix.
Hello!
Hi, Axel. Say hi. We're gonna vlog together.
Vlog!
We're gonna think of a content, okay? Wow, ang bango, guys. Oh, sarap.
Yes!
Steak. Ano to? Pasta, corn. Mashed potato. Hi.
Yes!
Kain na, Mama. Happy Thanksgiving.
Wait lang, ano ikinakat? That's garlic.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along. Yeah, we've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates. And they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way. Cause I can see it on your face. I've been tossing, turning, staying up all night long. I've been calling, yearning, wondering what I did wrong. I could tell by your eyes you got something to hide. So open your mind up, let me.
I want more.
Last one, nakilig ka sa nilo ka sa din. Oh my God! What's that?
Ay, gusto na niya yung balat, girl. Kinakainan niya.
That's it, no more na. Bye.
Wala na, ayaw na. O, last. Say thank you, Mimi. Say thank you po. So, go shoot the ball. Show them how to shoot the ball. Soccer ba? Kala ko basketball. Playtime with Kuya Axel. Okay, shoot. Hindi ba basketball? Ha? Ano oras na ba? Okay. No, sleeping si Ninong. Say hi, Adi. Say hi, Ninang.
Hi! 1, 2, 3.
Ayan na si Kuya
1, 2,
Axel.
3.
Hi guys, good morning. For today's vlog, papakita ko naman sa inyo kung ano ang kinakain ng aking toddler. So, we're gonna do what my toddler eats in a day. So, right now, magbe-breakfast pa lang si Adelaide. So, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang breakfast niya. Ito ang breakfast ni Adelaide. So, we got some strawberries, Cheerios na plain, multigrain, and we have some French toast. So, ito ang kakainin niya for breakfast. Ayan guys, kakain na si Adelaide ng breakfast. Oh, here's your fork. She likes to use her fork, but sometimes she likes to use her hand. So, it's okay, whatever she likes. Okay, go eat, anak.
I wanna eat.
Just hug me. Ayan guys, ayan yung natira sa food niya. Okay, let's go out na. On your high chair. Alisin ko na siya sa high chair niya guys. Hi guys, nagnap kami ni Adelaide. So, magla-lunch na siya. Late lunch na kasi nakatulog kami. Medyo mahaba yung nap namin. So, pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung papakain ko sa kanya ngayong lunchtime. Ito yung food ni Adelaide, guys, for lunch. So, strawberry. And then, beans ata tawag dito. Beans. And then, pasta. Gawa ni Tita Hana. And then, gawa ni Mimi, which is si Ninang Hana. And then, gawa ni Ninang Monique. Yan yung mga take-out namin last night. Kung nakita nyo sa video, nag-Thanksgiving dinner kami kila Daddy Alvin last night. So, ayan guys. Hi Adelaide! Ayan, kumakain na si Adelaide ng lunch, guys. You like it? Wow. I'll give you water, okay? Hi Adelaide! You're done with your lunch. So, ito yung yung plate niya. May mga konting natirang isang pirasong pasta at 2 pieces of strawberry. Good job, Adelaide! Nagloloko na siya pagtapos na siya. So, tinatapon na niya yung mga fork sa baba. Ayan, galit na siya. Ayan, tapos na si Adelaide sa lunch niya. So, medyo nabasa siya kasi dun sa water niya. So, papalitan ko siya ng damit muna and then ililigpit ko yung mga kinainan niya. And then, mag-chill muna kami. Say hi! Hi, guys! No, wala siya sa mood, guys. Pero busog siya. Say hello, everybody! Hello! Say hello. Hi! Hi, guys! It's dinner time, so this is Adelaide's dinner. I just put soup and rice and some strawberries. So, dinner time, Adelaide. Hi, Adelaide. Dinner time. So, soup and rice only for dinner and strawberry. Hi guys! Tapos na si Adelaide mag-dinner. Medyo makalat. Tapos nahulog din niya yung mga fork niya. But she's good. Are you okay, Adelaide? Okay, let's go. Punas time before bedtime. Thanks for watching, guys. My meals.